Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do like my high puff or high pineapple, whatever you want to call it. Before we get started, I just want to tell everyone to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So I start off by like pulling the ends of my hair so it can appear fuller, so it doesn't look so shriveled up. Now I'm just making sure my hair is damp because it's a lot harder to style hair that's dry. I'm just taking some conditioner and I'm putting it all over my hair to make sure that my hair is moisturized. Also, I'm kind of like finger detangling at the same time. Now I'm just taking a brush and brushing all of my hair up. You guys, please excuse my grumpy face. I was just really focused. Now I'm gonna put some castor oil all over my head, mainly in the parts where the gel is gonna go because I know Eco Styler gel is alcohol based, so I always put oil in my hair to protect it. I'm using a decent amount of gel to smooth down my hair. So next I'm taking a headband and I'm bad at explaining things, but I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to take the headband, loop it around twice, and push it up. So I feel like bobby pins aren't exactly necessary, but if you want to keep the headband in place for a longer amount of time or you want it to be tighter, you can use them. I'm taking more oil and I'm putting it on the ends of my hair because I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to finger coil basically my whole head. So here I was looking at my hair and I realized I wanted more of like a messy look, so I ended up just pulling some hairs out from the back and the side. I should have definitely done this before I put my hair up and bobby pinned it. Again, I'm repeating the same process, oil, gel, and then just finger coiling. I felt like I didn't put enough gel, so I went in with the gel again to just smooth down the front of my head. Okay, the final step. I'm gonna lay down my edges. I'm not really the best at this, but basically I just brush them all out like towards my forehead before I put any product on it. I just brush my edges out till I can't brush it out anymore. I obviously don't have like distinct baby hair, so it's kind of hard for me to explain. I'm just using my Hicks Edges Edge Tamer. I'm an idiot, that's why I'm holding it upside down. I take a little bit of that and I guess I put it on the section that I'm gonna swoop first. So I take the comb side of my edge brush and I'm like swooping it. I don't even know if that's a word, but I'm swooping it in like a circular motion. So after finishing off all my swoops and loops, I take my gel and I just place it like a little bit on each section just for like extra hold. Okay, so I feel like this is the most important step because without it, your edges are just gonna fly away in 2 seconds. But you need to tie down your hair with a bandana, scarf, whatever. The longer you keep this on, the longer your edges are gonna last. So usually I'll do my hair before I do my makeup just so like my edges get baked for a longer amount of time. So here's just me, you know, putting on lipstick. I'm just trying to like waste time. This is the finishing product. This is my heat damage. That looks absolutely disgusting. I'm trying to fix that right now because that ain't it. I'm putting this, whatever this is that I just stole from my sister. I feel like I'm gonna get roasted in the comments if you're gonna be like, girl, you do not have 4C hair, but I promise I do. I'm gonna put pictures of my hair when it was not looking like this. That looks really bad. That looks so bad. This is the first time me like wearing my hair like this ever since I burnt it with the flat iron. But yeah, this is the result. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok.